our 3-compartment sink. First off, the overall dimensions from left to right. We have a length of 77.5 inches, a depth of 29.75 inches, and a height of 43 inches tall. Minus the splash, we have a height of 36 inches. 3 tubs, with each tub measuring 24 inches in length, 24 inches in depth, by 11.5 inches in height. And coming to the top is your left and right faucet. Each faucet, the swivel head, will measure 14 inches. And a distance for each mount will measure 9 inches. And located on the left corner is the NSF certification sticker. Please note that the white film covering the sink can be peeled off, that's protecting the stainless steel. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.